Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am excited to see you here today. Well, you might think that we're going to have a tea party, but not exactly so. So today's recipe would be the one for skin detox toner. We are using witch hazel here. It's an estrogen and antioxidant. Will help us to soothe skin inflammation, reduce, visible pore sizes. We're going to use lemon juice. It will help to brighten, lighten our skin. Also will help with the pores. And first thing I would say, keep this toner away from your eyes because we're going to use helichrysum essential oil. I believe it's really a star ingredient because it helps to promote healthy skin regeneration, glowing youthful complexion. So we could use it, you could add it to even facial cleansers or make your own. If you do not have helichrysum essential oil, it's an expensive one. You could substitute rosemary, and we're going to use lavender. So here you see we start as a base. Our base is going to be tea. It could be any tea you have on hand. I would prefer you to use chamomile tea, and I have discovered the sleepy time tea for myself. First of all, it's extremely delicious, and then if you look at the ingredients, it's exactly what I love to use for my skin. It has chamomile, spearmint, lemongrass, tea leaf, blackberry leaves, orange blossoms, hawthorn, and rosebuds. I think that's really all you really need in a toner. And the thing is that the first thing you need to do, boil water. You add 1 cup of water. You steep 2 bags, either chamomile or you can use the fresh flowers, even better. Let it really infuse for 5 to 7 minutes. Then you remove, discard the tea bags, and here it is. This is the base for a toner. You might think that we're making really a lot of the toner. It would take me about more than 2 4-ounce bottles to have it, but every time you feel like you want to use a toner, don't forget about décolletage, don't forget about your hands, don't forget about even the burst area, and obviously the neck, right? So let's move with all the rest of the ingredients. The next thing I want to add will be 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you do not have lemon juice, go ahead and use lime. I'm just going to squeeze it in my tablespoon. I really believe I'm going to be successful. Lemon juice all over the kitchen. Here you go. We got 1. And we got to get 2 out of 1/2, right? Or it's not going to be fair to me or the lemon. See, I get a little messy, but that's the real thing. Make sure everything is super clean. Everything you use, hands, equipment, lemons. So 2, and because it's not a spray toner, don't forget that I'm just using a regular cup. I will use a cotton pad to apply it to my face. Don't forget décolletage, neck area. Don't forget your hands. So it's very handy in this case. So as I mentioned, the recipe is good for 8 ounces of the toner. If you want to reduce, just divide it in, divide it by 2, 3, whatever you want to start with. I hope you guys like this video. This is the video for skin detox. You do a patch test every time you're trying something new, especially DIY. A little patch test to see how your skin likes it, especially if you're using essential oils. That's very important. And if you have any suggestions, ideas you want to share with us in the comments, we'll be very happy to read them, or just come and say hello, say how are you. Maybe say where you're from too. And I would say this is it. That's all I wanted to share with you in this video. I wish you to be very happy, very healthy. I wish you to love yourself, find time for yourself and skincare, which will pay off in the future for sure. And put the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.